Before we tour the Asahi-Suita plant, I'd like to give you a brief overview to help frame our visit. I'll start with some background on the Asahi Group, including their history, plant network, and position in the Japanese beer market. Then I'll highlight the current production setup at the Suita plant, including the status of their bottling, can, and keg lines, and the role of Krohn's equipment, especially the new ergomatic labeler installed in 2022. The goal is to give you both technical and strategic context so that you can better understand the importance of this site in Asahi's operations. Osaka Brewery Limited was founded in 1989 and built the Suita Brewery in 1891. In 1906, it merged with two other companies to form Dai Nippon Brewery, which reached a 70% market share. After World War II, Dai Nippon was divided into Asian Asahi Brewery and Sapporo Brewery in 1949. Asahi Super Dry was launched in 1987 and quickly became explosively popular. In 1988, Asahi became the top brewery in Japan. Asahi operates 6 breweries in Japan: Hokkaido, Fukushima, Ibaraki, Nagoya, Hakata, and Suita. The Suita plant is considered the flagship location as it was Asahi's first. The group also owns 5 Nikka whiskey plants. The Hakata plant is scheduled for closure around 2029, with plans to open a new facility in Tosu, Kyushu. Krohn's Japan is currently in discussion and targeting for this project. Asahi Group is very proud of managing their own plants and seek perfection in everything. When something goes wrong with our machines, they ask us to explain why the machine had an issue. They are strict about the quality of parts and delivery dates because of tight deadlines, tight production schedule, and efficient operation. They are strict about the quality of parts and delivery dates because of their tight production schedule and efficient operation. Suita currently operates 5 production lines, 1 bottling line, 3 can lines, and 1 keg line. The Krohn's labeler is integrated into the bottling line. Most new beer products in Japan are released in cans. Bottled beer is primarily sold to pubs, bars, and restaurants, but even in those places, draft beer is the standard. Mitsubishi currently dominates the canned filler market in Japan. However, this may change as demand for canned fillers has been decreasing and there is limited motivation for innovation in this area. In the 1980s and 1990s, the Asahi-Suita plant operated 4 bottling lines, each equipped with a Krohn's labeler. Today, only 1 bottling line remains. 3 lines were scrapped. The current ergomatic labeler was installed in 2022 to replace the previous unit. This chart shows an estimated view of market share in Japan's beer industry. I say estimated because not all companies disclose full data. Asahi's main competitor is Kirin. Before World War II, much of Japan's beer consumption happened in restaurants where Asahi and Sapporo were dominant. In contrast, Kirin focused more heavily on retail and household consumption. After World War II, as refrigeration became common in Japan, Kirin gained a dominant market share, holding the top position for 45 years. In 1987, Asahi introduced Super Dry, which revolutionized the market. As a result, Asahi overtook the Kirin in 1988 to become the market leader. There are 4 business areas in the world in Japan: Japan, Europe, Oceania, and Southeast Asia. Asahi's planning to sell Asahi Super Dry as a premium beer through its distribution channels. Thank you.